The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou continues to gather momentum as construction crews move closer to one of the most important milestones of the entire roof project. During today's update, work remained focused on the compression ring, while steady progress continued across the facade, VIP areas, and key structural sections of the stadium. With preparations intensifying, the project is moving steadily toward its next major phase of construction. One of the biggest developments today was the installation of another compression ring box in the goal area. This structure forms the foundation of the future roof system and is one of the most critical engineering components of the entire redevelopment. As additional sections are lifted into place, the compression ring continues to grow around the stadium bowl. Once all of these massive steel boxes are installed, construction teams will be able to move toward the highly anticipated big lift phase, when the upper roof structure will begin to take shape. Another important sign of progress can be seen in the installation of new support pillars connected to the compression ring system. These large structural elements will help carry the enormous loads generated by the future roof. Their appearance confirms that work is now advancing beyond individual box installations and moving into the next stage of structural integration. As more supports are added, the compression ring will continue extending toward the tribune section of the stadium. Construction is progressing steadily on the 3 diamond-shaped structures in the lateral sector of the stadium. While the floor slabs are still awaiting concrete pouring, preparations appear to be almost complete, making this phase likely to begin very soon. A key milestone will come once the first diamond is completed in reinforced concrete. The central diamond continues to move forward, with several concrete columns already completed. These will support the next phase of construction as work begins on the floor slab structure in the coming weeks. The third diamond, located closer to the south goal corner, is also advancing steadily. Several columns are now nearing the concrete stage, with formwork preparations already underway. While this structure remains slightly behind the other 2, progress is clearly visible. Together, these 3 diamonds are steadily shaping one of the most distinctive architectural features of the new Spotify Camp Nou. Moving to the outer design of the stadium, facade panel installation is another major phase currently in progress. This part of the project is responsible for completely transforming the exterior appearance of Camp Nou and giving it a fresh, modern, and iconic look. These facade panels are being carefully fitted across multiple sections of the stadium. As they are installed, the overall appearance begins to shift toward a cleaner, more futuristic architectural style. However, these panels are not only added for visual improvement, they also contribute to structural efficiency, protection, and long-term durability of the stadium exterior. With every new panel placed, the contrast between the old structure and the future design becomes more noticeable. The stadium exterior is gradually developing a new identity that reflects innovation and modern engineering while still respecting the deep history and legacy associated with Camp Nou. Each panel requires precise alignment during installation. Even the smallest measurement difference can affect the final visual outcome, which is why the construction teams are working in carefully planned sections. This method ensures that the entire facade remains uniform, smooth, and visually consistent across all sides of the stadium. The new facade design is also expected to play a major role during evening and night events. With its modern architectural layout, it is anticipated to create an impressive visual effect when combined with stadium lighting systems. This will help Camp Nou stand out as one of the most visually advanced football venues in the world. For supporters, seeing the facade gradually take shape is a very exciting moment as it provides a clearer understanding of how the final stadium will look once completed. The transformation is no longer just hidden construction work. It is now becoming a visible and impressive reality. Activity remains high throughout the second cantilever, where multiple work platforms and construction crews continue operating across different levels. Concrete works are ongoing with pumps and equipment positioned throughout the area for upcoming pours. Interior construction is advancing steadily while additional sandwich panels continue to expand coverage across the structure. The second cantilever remains one of the busiest sections of the project. With visible progress taking place on both structural and finishing elements, The first cantilever continues to evolve as more sandwich panel installations are completed across the lower sections. Workers remain active inside the structure, carrying out various construction tasks behind the visible facade. Progress is also being made on support systems and secondary structures that will accommodate future architectural elements. While changes are more subtle compared to other areas, construction remains steady throughout this level. There is noticeable activity in the tribune area, where multiple construction operations are ongoing. At the same time, new materials have been delivered across the zone, indicating preparation for the next phase of works. A primer coating layer is now visible on several surfaces, which will serve as the base before applying the final paint finish. Once this stage is complete, staircase installation will follow as part of the interior development process. Work continues around the future FC Barcelona store area, where the groundwork and surrounding infrastructure are steadily taking shape. Although major visible structural changes are limited at this stage, the area is clearly being prepared for the next phase of development. Finally, ascending to the top of the third-tier terraces now, the wide steps being placed across the third-tier terraces are becoming increasingly and gradually more visible with each passing update. There is something deeply satisfying about watching these step formations emerge progressively across the tier, section by section, each one adding to a growing and increasingly coherent picture of what the finished upper seating area is going to look like and how fans are going to navigate through it. From the 70-plus escalators to the expanded washroom facilities and alongside the wide EEP installation, more sleeper beams continue to be placed on top of the tier, extending the foundation work that is going to support the next generation of pillars and structural elements destined for that level. The sleeper beam installation and the step creation are running concurrently, each one contributing to the same overall picture of a third tier that is becoming more organized, more defined, and more genuinely ready for what comes next with every single day that passes. It really is, in the simplest and most honest terms, just beautiful to watch. There is something profoundly moving about observing a stadium transform in real time, about seeing the raw structural elements of a construction site gradually take on the recognizable shape and character of a finished, functioning sporting venue. The third tier is making that transformation visible piece by piece, beam by beam, step by step. Overall, today's update showed continued momentum across several key areas of the project. The compression ring remains the main focus, with new box installations and support structures, bringing the stadium one step closer to the future roof construction phase. With more intensive work expected in the coming days, the next updates could bring some of the most significant developments yet as Spotify Camp Nou continues its remarkable transformation.